I love prawns, and David is here to show us a really easy prawn dish with, I believe, coconut and chilli and some beautiful flavours.
We do beautiful chili coconut broth, yes.
Oh, I'm very excited. Tell us what to do.
So first we're going to roughly chop the ginger,
Yes.
the onion. I'm going to do the lemongrass. So we're just doing a paste here.
Oh, lovely. Wow.
So you got to crush your lemongrass a bit. And then we're just going to roughly cut it to put it in your food processor.
So we crush it to get the flavour out, don't we?
Correct.
'Cause
So
you
we
can
do a
smell
paste.
it when it's crushed.
Correct.
It's beautiful.
Have a smell of it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Tea. I make lemongrass tea.
The chili, just cut it in half. You remember, the spice is not into the seed, but into the chili itself. So a lot of
Yes.
people get it wrong, take the seed out. Okay, coriander, we keep everything, make sure it's nice and clean so it doesn't retain any dirt. So we're just gonna put in a food processor in a
Easy
little
peasy.
bowl.
Yes.
Okay, put the lemongrass, the garlic, the chili, and you can put your ginger
And onion?
and onions all
Beautiful.
together. Here I've got some beautiful kaffir lime, which is amazing flavor. So you
Yes.
just break it apart like that.
Gosh, this is so easy so
Easy.
far. Yeah, blend
And
all the
best
stuff
part
together.
Best part, you do a nice generous amount of this paste, and you're just gonna blend it. Putting some peanut oil, and you got your paste ready to go. I'll just show you. There you are.
Yes.
Have a look at that.
Oh,
And
I can smell it. It's
what you
beautiful.
do is you put it in a little bowl, cover with some olive oil, and put it in the fridge. And use that every time you need some, you use it.
On chicken,
Anything.
fish.
Stir frying, marinating.
Oh, yes.
Beautiful. So now I'm just going to put it in a Cook Expert.
Yes. So this is going to fry it for us and stir it.
Correct.
Okay. Oh, we're using all of it.
Yes.
Big flavour hit.
We
I'm
want
excited.
a big broth here. We're going to
Yes.
make a nice coconut broth. And I'm just going to
Wonderful.
put the lid on. So here I'm just going to saute off for a couple of minutes. So all the flavor is going to start sweating. So now you just put it with the white wine. Okay? And that's your base of your broth. And then you can finish it with some normal cream, but today we're going to finish it with some coconut cream. Okay? So we're going very Asian style here. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the prawns on. So here you get the whole prawns. You just take the head off. So some people love the head, okay?
Yes. You can. If you crispy fry them.
And then you just suck
Oh,
the head
they're
and it's just
delicious.
beautiful. Here you just peel it. And then
Yes.
the other thing to do, very important, is to devein them.
Yes.
And
very
because
important.
there's nothing worse to have, all the intestine here. So what you do is just put it on your chopping board.
Yes.
And you just do a little incision,
This is how I do it.
okay? And then you just get rid of all this nonsense here.
Beautiful.
And you got your nice clean prawns, okay?
Wonderful.
Okay, so now we're going to finish the dish, okay? So I'm just going to move the lid now. Put the coconut cream.
Into the bowl. So everything's going to be steamed in one. We'll have this cooking on the bottom, the prawn steaming on top.
So have a look.
Glorious.
Look at that one part. Here, just getting the steamer.
Yes.
I'm just going to position the prawns inside.
Whack them in.
What
like
I mean,
this, my kind
just
of cooking.
sort of display them so they're not on the top of each other. So here, you notice I didn't put any
Nothing.
seasoning, nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
We got enough seasoning here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm just going to press the steamer on the top. So imagine one appliances, you're
Yes.
cooking your broth, putting your steamer on the top, your prawns going to cook all together, and we just press the button, steam for 13 minutes, 120 degrees. You got your broth cooking slowly, and the steam of the fume of the broth is just going to cook the prawns.
So this is going to cook it for us. We can go have a glass of wine and dinner's taken care of.
2 glasses maybe.
Perfect.
And here we go, look at that.
Beautiful. How easy is this?
Beautiful steamed prawns. Just take it off.
Oh my goodness, that broth looks
And
glorious,
then you
David.
got your broth I'm going to strain.
Yes.
So have a look at it, okay? Just
Wonderful. The coconut, the herbs, you can smell the lemongrass. So this is just to get the herbs out, all the
correct.
crushed
Well, you don't need all
lemongrass.
the crushed thing. And then we're just going to strain it. And you could drink it, really.
Oh wow, you could just shot this. Perfect.
And you got a very nice. Yeah, we're just going to position the prawns so you can do in a platter for a family meal, or if you want to do like chefs and be a little bit fancy.
A little bit fancy.
Just position
Okay.
your prawns. For entree, you do 3 pieces. If you do a main course, maybe 4 or 5 pieces, okay?
Wow,
And
okay.
then you just put your broth.
Beautiful. I can imagine this with fish, chicken.
And then, yes. And then you just finish with some roasted peanuts, some fried shallots, and then some little macro baby coriander leaf that you just position everywhere.
Wonderful.
And you finish with a little bit of a zest.
Oh.
You do it. I
Oh,
can't
there's-
do everything.
You
Maya.
can't. Okay, little. I don't want to ruin this.
No, you
So,
don't.
Okay.
Little bit of lime juice on the top.
Beautiful. Look
that's
at
it.
this. Heaven.
Pretty special.
It is.
It's simple, fresh, clean.
May I taste it, David? I'm
Yes.
so excited.
No double dipping.
Oh, that is beautiful. The coconut, the lemongrass, the chili, that is sensational.
Try with the prawns.
Try the prawns. Keep going, he says. Beautiful. Can do. Happily, I adore prawns.
Very nice.
David, that's beautiful. That's restaurant quality food. The seafood's perfectly cooked and really, really doable at home, which I love.